Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed I/O devices of computer graphics, or what are the input-output devices of computer graphics. Today we have discussed graphics software. Okay. In this class, we have covered concepts of graphics software, graphics functions, and graphics standards. So let us discuss what is graphics software. A graphics software is an intermediary between an application program and the graphics hardware. The output primitives and interaction devices that a graphics package supports can range from rudimentary to extremely rich. Okay. So graphics software is an mediator between the application program and the graphics hardware. Let's discuss types of graphics software. There are two general classification of graphics software. One is general purpose programming, another one is special purpose application packages. Okay. Let us discuss general purpose programming packages. It provides an extensive set of graphics functions that can be used in a high-level programming language. High-level programming language means such as it is C, Fortran. Okay. Basic functions in general package include those for generating picture components like straight line, circle, polygon, etc. Setting color and intensity values and applying transformations. Okay. All these functions are operated here. Next one is special purpose application packages. Special purpose application packages designed for non-programmers, but general purpose application packages designed for programmers. Okay, so that user can generate displays without worrying about how graphics operations work. For example, such application packages are the artist painting program, various business, medical and CAD systems. These computer graphics may be clip art, web graphics, logos, headings, backgrounds, digital photos and some other kinds of digital images also. Okay. And also coordinate representations. Coordinate representation is how it is possible in general graphics and how we will also discuss. In general, graphics packages are designed to be used with Cartesian coordinate. Line drawing, circle, all these things. Several different Cartesian reference frames are used to construct and display a scene or picture. Okay. Some of the graphic softwares are Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, PaintShop, CorelDRAW, and GIMP, and also which all of you familiar with Microsoft Paint, Digital Images Suite CAD, and also Director, right, and Flash. Okay, these are the some graphics softwares. Okay, let us discuss graphics functions. These packages provide users with a variety of functions for creating and manipulating pictures. Some functions are, first one is output primitives. Output primitives is basically for building blocks. Building blocks means when you draw a house. Okay, in the house, what are the different building blocks you use? First of all, you use a rectangle to draw the roof. Okay, like to draw a house, first we draw a rectangle. Okay, then we draw a first we draw a triangle to draw the roof, then we draw a rectangle to draw the wall, then we small square. Okay, like this is the like this model types. Okay, these are also known as the building blocks, such as the triangle, rectangle, circle, all these line, straight lines, slanting line, all these things are the building blocks. Okay, next one is attributes. Attributes means properties of the output primitives. Then geometric transformation. In geometric transformation, we can change the size, position and orientation. Next one is the modeling transformation. Construct scene or picture using object description. Model transformation means when you construct a picture using different object, all these things are draw in model transformation. When we draw a picture, first we draw the outline or the model. Okay, then we draw and it looks like clearly draw and color it, shading it, all these things whatever we have created or whatever we have to draw. Okay. Then the images look like a realistic image. Okay. Next one is viewing transformation. In viewing transformation, it is used to specify the view that is to be presented. Viewing transformation में हम क्या कहते हैं? How it looks like, the view looks like. All these things are drawn or created or operated in viewing transformation. Next one is input function. Input function is used to control and process the data flow from the interactive device such as mouse, tablet or joysticks. Okay. Last one is control operation. It contains numbers of housekeeping tasks such as clearing a display screen, initializing parameters. All these things are under the control operations. Next we have discussed software standards. What are the different standards used in graphics software? A standard graphics package such as GKS means graphical kernel system, and another one is PHIGS, PHIGS means Programmers Hierarchical Interactive Graphics Systems. These two standards are used in graphics software. Okay, software packages. It implements a specification designed designated as standard by an official national or international standard bodies by ISO and ANSI or ANSI means American National Standard Institute. These two standards, which two standards? GKS and PHIGS. GKS means graphical kernel system, and PHIGS means Programmers Hierarchical Interactive Graphics System. These two standards are implemented or designated as official national or international standard bodies by ISO and ANSI or American National Standard Institute. Okay. The main purpose of such standard is to promote probability of application program and of programmers. Okay. Non-official standards are also developed, promoted and licensed by individual companies or by consortia of companies like Adobe ForceScripts, MIT X Windows System are two industry standards. Okay, these are the general standard, basic standards which are designated by the ISO and ANSI. But here some non-official standards are also developed. One company is Adobe PostScript and another one is MIT X Windows System. These are the two industry standard. Okay. GKS. GKS means what? Graphics Kernel System. GKS originally designed as a 2D graphics package and 3D also. GKS extension was subsequently developed. PHIGS is an extension of GKS, having increased capability for object modeling, color specification, surface rendering. All these things are more in PHIGS as compared to the GKS. Extension of PHIGS called PHIGS Plus provides 3D surface shading capabilities. Some of the functions which are also not done in PHIGS, but it is covered in PHIGS Plus, and PHIGS Plus also provide 3D surface shading capabilities. Okay. Next is we have discussed GKS primitives. There are basic 4 primitives. First one is polyline. Polyline is used to draw the lines. The command is polyline n, x, y. N means length of an array and x and y are the coordinate position. Okay. Then another one is polymaker. Polymaker is used to plot the point. The command is polymaker n, x, y. N is the number of data points, x and y are the coordinate array of xy coordinate. Okay. Next one is fill area. Fill area is used to draw line but it always connects the first and last point in the array. The command is fill area n, x, y. Okay. Then next one is text. Text is used to print the string or text starting at the given coordinates. The command is text x, y, string. Okay. Then next we have discussed GKS segments or graphics kernel system segments. The segment command is the GKS method of developing complex objects. Any group of valid GKS code can be clustered together into a segment through the use of create segment command. A segment listing is terminated with close segment command. Okay. So in GKS segment, more than one GKS command or GKS code we have combinedly executed. But first of all we have create the segment, and after all the commands are listing, then we have close the segment. So first we have write create segment, then polyline. Suppose here one command is write polyline 5, x, y. 5 is the number of pixel. Okay, then xy coordinate. Then we also add here another command like this. Then we have closed the segment. Okay. So this is the example of GKS segment. How to code for the GKS segment. So in this class we have covered what is graphics software, what are the different graphics primitives, what are the different graphics standards, and what are the different graphics segments. Okay. And also types of computer graphics packages, which one is general and another one is special purpose. One is general purpose, another one is special purpose, and some other graphics primitives also we have discussed, and also some graphics functions. Okay. So students, your unit 2 of CGM syllabus will be covered. Okay. So in this unit we have get some important questions. First is random scan system, raster scan system, and what are the working principle of CRT, what are the different IO devices used in graphics, computer graphics, and also we have got the short notes about graphics software, and what are the difference between raster graphics and vector graphics. Okay. Also the difference between random scan system and raster scan system. All these questions we have get in this unit, okay, or in this chapter. So your second chapter also completed. Next class we have discussed third unit or third chapter. Okay. I hope all of you understand clearly.